Today I have 18 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are these 18 free certification courses that you can do here. The first course is Complete Bootstrap 5 courses from scratch with 3 projects. In this course you will be able to learn Bootstrap 5 from scratch plus 3 projects. The second course is here, SQL Fundamentals for Beginners. You can learn how to interact with databases using SQL. Third course is Data Science and Machine Learning Developer Certification. You can learn the powerful tools used in data science and machine learning from a top instructor. Next course is Agile Scrum in Depth Guide Simulation and Best Practice. You can learn the Scrum and best methods to apply in your team right away. Become an effective Scrum Master or Product Owner. The next course is Complete Android course, Android 11 with Java. You can become an Android developer and learn Android development from the beginning and learn with building 30 Android apps. Next one is HTML and CSS made simple. Learn it in just 2 hours. You can learn and understand HTML and CSS from these courses. Next one is Python Program Complete Beginner Course Bootcamp. You can learn Python programming and premium level course with over 500 examples. No prior knowledge is required here. Next one is Ansible for network engineers, quick start. Next one is English writing essentials, correct the most common mistakes. You can learn how to correct the most common mistakes made in English writing. Next one is Wireshark, packet analysis and ethical hacking course skill. From the basic to advanced network analysis using Wireshark, you can learn ethical hacking from this course. The next one is the self-taught programmer. Another one is SEO, search engine optimization. Write a SEO optimized articles in less than 10 minutes. The next one is WordPress for absolute beginner. If you're a beginner in WordPress, then you can do this course. This is cybersecurity building a CyberWarrior certification. It is a short course. You can learn how to secure your website. Next course is WordPress, make a professional website with no coding. If you don't knowledge about coding, but still you can make WordPress website from this course. Next one is that best techniques to drive traffic to your website. If you'd like to increase the number of traffics in your website, then you should do this course. Refactor Javascript. And the last course is Artificial Neural Networks with Keras in Python Radar. You will have understanding about the deep learning and build neural networks using these courses. So you can do this 18 free certification courses. Check the video description to get the link of all of these courses.